My name is Eliud Custodio, founder of Turn One Studio, a marketing agency here on Long Island catering to small businesses. We specialize in website development, graphic design, social media management, photography, videography, and much more. However, I wanted to take a moment to talk about how proud we are to sponsor and support the Long Island Fight for Charity. If you're not familiar with this event, fellow Long Islanders like you and I get into a boxing ring and they fight in order to raise funds to help struggling Long Islanders. I have a special place in my heart for these men and women that are daring enough to get into the ring because I did this myself back in 2017. I took the challenge on to not only fight, but also fundraise and support my fellow Long Islanders. If you're interested in showing your support for your fellow Long Islanders, this is an event not to be missed. Once again, this is Eliud Custodio from Turn One Studio, proud supporters of the Long Island Fight for Charity. Thank you.